Good morning, class. Welcome back. I am Professor Devdi Banerjee. This is our fourth class of tax procedure and tax planning. You know that I have been dealing with tax planning. This is our fourth class, and I have already started with tax planning with reference to new business. I have explained the location of business in my previous class. Now in this class, I will discuss about the tax planning, obviously with reference to new business, and now the topic of discussion will be nature of business. You see, first of all, you need to identify the location of your business, where you want to start your business, what are the advantages, what are the procedures, what are the benefits, what are the tax incentives you can get if you want to do your business in that particular location or in that particular area. So today our topic will be discussing the tax planning, obviously with reference to the new businesses, and obviously the nature of the business, means how the business will be or what will be our nature of doing our business. See, many incentives are available obviously under this Income Tax Act. You know that directly or indirectly, which are basically related with the nature of the business, and we will discuss that some of the incentives under which the nature of business follows. Today we will discuss only those portions. Later on there will be case studies on the basis of different sections. I will be dealing with you all, and I will be solving those also with you all. So the first one is exemption. Some of the incentives, I am talking about some incentives, okay? I am talking about some incentives. So what are the incentives? So number one incentives is we get the exemption. We get exemption in case of, say, you know that special economic zone. In case of, if you produce your units, or business over there in the stage location, you can get a special deduction which is under section 10AA. So this is one of the case. So we can start doing business over here to get some incentives, some get extra benefits, which we call as the fringe benefits, right? Next one is if we it's a T development account. Look, nature, if you are doing your business in T development account or T development purpose, and obviously there has been a special account for which your business should be running forward, and it deals with section 33A. Next one is incentive allowance in a notified backward area. Incentives allowance which we are receiving in a notified backward areas of Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Telangana, and obviously some parts of West Bengal. See, if you are doing your business and your business is obviously located near some notified backward regions, suppose your business is located in an area of, suppose, which has been enlisted in the government list, that is basically the notified backward region of any districts like AP, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, or Telangana or West Bengal. This is covers under section 32 AD. Okay, then you will get a special deduction. Suppose in the notified list of the central government tax authorities, suppose some parts of Tripura is there. If you want to start up your business over there, then you will get extra incentives as you are doing the business in that area. To develop that area, the government grants you special incentives, provides you special incentives. Likewise, telecommunication services is also there. Telecommunication services are also there, which is under section 33 A, B, means if you provide telecommunication services, your business is basically on the nature of telecommunication services, then also you will get special added allowances or added incentives in this case of doing your business while preparing your tax planning part. Next is expenditure on specified business, means maybe scientific business. Expenditure on specified business. Suppose you do expenditure on a specified business, and obviously it is under section 35 AB. Okay, obviously it falls under PGBP. I hope you remember 35 AD section falls under PGBP. So it has, I have explained in the fourth step of taxation, the PGBP part. That is basically, if you do expenditure on a specified business, that also help you to get the extra benefits. Next one is weighted deduction for expenditure incurred on agricultural extension project. Suppose you are doing any agricultural project, you are getting an extra weighted deduction, that will be getting also, you are getting an extra fringe benefits, extra incentives which you wanted. Again, special provisions in case of business of hiring or leasing goods or cartages, means suppose if you are doing business for leasing cartage or leasing goods, then also you will get some added benefits. Again, profits and gains of business for undertaking infrastructure, which I have explained in the portion of location of business in section 80 IA, then also you will get some added benefits. If you are doing business in respect of startup, or if you are gaining some startup businesses or startup locations and startup procedures, then also you will get a deduction under section 80 IAC, and you will get some added incentives in this case. And also if you are doing business in case of special categories of states, which I have also discussed in location of business. If you are doing business in that particular location of states or special categories or seven sister states, which in the northeastern regions, you will get some added benefits. And in the previous semester, I hope you learned MAT, minimum alternate tax or alternative minimum tax. I hope the teachers has provided you, in fifth semester what is MAT. I will try to help you out again. Section 80 JJAA is one of your added deduction section, which was there in your fifth semester, or which basically talks about deduction in respect of employment of new workmen, which is very important. Deduction in respect of employment of new workmen, which is basically section 80 JJAA. I hope it was there in your fifth semester. I know that in your syllabus. So I think you know that. Suppose for a new workman, if you are employed in an already established organization, there are certain criteria If you fulfill those criteria, you will get them added benefits, added deductions also. In this case, I am discussing this basic thing first, then in my next classes onwards I will do some case studies, and I hope you will get to know this further if I go with the case studies and all. And also the tonnage tax scheme, it is also there. Tonnage taxation scheme, tonnage tax scheme, which is also there in your part. And obviously, if you are doing business, or if your business is just like that of providing these benefits, you will also get some added benefits while you are preparing for tax planning part, or while you are going for any deductions in case of tax planning, how to make a tax planning much more easier, much more beneficiary, so that I need to pay a minimum amount of tax in this case. So thank you for this class. I hope you are getting this portion. I hope you are understanding this portion very well. I hope if you have any doubt, please try to knock me, try to know me what your problem is. I will try to help you out. Thank you for the class, for patient hearing up to today. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you very much.